It is a particularly difficult time to work because of supply chain issues related to COVID. We're forced to talk to our clients and explain to them we're in an unprecedented time. We're doing our best to manage the process, but there are things beyond our controls. Right now, windows have gone from 6-week lead times to 18 to 32 weeks, in large part because the spacers between the glass insulated panels are in short supply. Appliances, which could be delivered as soon as we needed them, now we're seeing for the high-end appliances, delay times of 40 weeks, 52 weeks. We have a mill worker on one of our jobs right now who is on a rationed buy from his supplier of plywood. He only gets 20 sheets a week, not enough to turn out all the millwork we have for projects that we're building right now. All of that stuff increases general conditions on the project, making the projects more expensive and the clients less happy.